Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can message sellers on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To message sellers on Etsy, firstly go ahead and launch open your Etsy application. You will end up on the homepage of Etsy's account. From the homepage, tap on product of a seller that you would like to send a message to. On the next page, scroll all the way down to the name of the product's owner and tap on Message Seller option. Enter a message on the given text box and tap on an arrow icon at the top right side of the page. This is how you can message sellers on Etsy quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.